Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your iPhone has the latest iOS and enough free storage. High resolutions need space. Next, open Settings, scroll to Camera, then Record Video. Tap that option and you'll see resolution and frame rate choices like 4K at 60 FPS or 1080p at 30 FPS. Choose a combination that balances quality and file size. Once done, exit Settings and open the Camera app to continue adjusting in-app controls and confirm the change. Now inside the Camera app, swipe to Video mode and look for the resolution/frame rate indicator, sometimes at the top or near the record button. Tap it to cycle supported presets if your model exposes that control. Make sure to lock exposure and focus by pressing and holding on your subject until AE/AF lock appears, because exposure shifts affect perceived quality. If you need smoother motion, select a higher frame rate. For cinematic look, pick 24 FPS. Test record a short clip to verify settings. Finish by recording a 10-20-second test clip and review it in Photos. Swipe up or tap the info icon to confirm resolution and frame rate. If the phone falls back to lower quality, free up storage or disable low power mode because both force downgrades. If settings don't stick, restart your iPhone and recheck camera settings. As a last resort, reset all settings to restore default camera controls. One key troubleshooting tip: check for overheating. Thermal limits can automatically reduce resolution during long takes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.